Unlock the power of existing visuals to guide Midjourney's AI and craft your unique artistic vision. Midjourney allows you to use your own images as a direct reference, providing specific guidance on style, composition, and even subject matter for your AI-generated art. Let's dive in. The key is to upload your reference image directly to your Discord chat with the Midjourney bot. You can do this by clicking the plus icon in the message bar and selecting Upload a File. Once your image is uploaded, it will appear in your chat. Now, you need to grab the direct URL for that image. Click on the image to open it in its own window, then right-click and select Copy Image Address or a similar option depending on your browser. Now, open your Midjourney prompt box. As if you were generating a new image, paste the image URL you just copied directly at the beginning of your prompt. This tells Midjourney to look at this image. After the image URL, you can then add your descriptive text. For instance, if your reference image has a particular artistic style, like impressionistic brushstrokes, you can mention that in your text prompt. Similarly, if you like the arrangement of elements in your reference, describe that composition. The AI will analyze your reference image for its colors, textures, lighting, and overall mood, and then use that information to influence the output of your new artwork. It's like giving Midjourney a mood board to work from. Experiment with different types of reference images, from photographs and paintings to even abstract patterns. Don't be afraid to mix and match your descriptive text with the visual guidance from your reference. By strategically using reference images, you gain a powerful tool to refine Midjourney's output, ensuring your generated art aligns precisely with your creative intent and personal aesthetic. Happy creating!